Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start. Make sure your iPhone 16 Pro Max runs the latest iOS and has at least 20% battery. Once done, unlock the phone and open Settings. Navigate straight to Control Center to add the NFC tag reader control. This step makes scanning one tap away. You do this now so you don't interrupt later scanning. If you prefer Wallet for contactless cards, also confirm wallet setup. These prep steps get you into action immediately rather than hunting menus mid-scan. Once the control is added, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center and tap the NFC tag reader. Position the top back area of your iPhone near the tag. This is where the internal antenna is located. Hold steady for 1 to 2 seconds. You'll feel a vibration or hear a chime when detection occurs. When an on-screen prompt appears, follow it to open the linked app or website. If nothing appears, try small angle adjustments and hold for an extra second or two. Finish by following the on-screen action. Open the content, accept the prompt, or copy the data, then tap Done. Make sure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is enabled when interacting with paired accessories. Some tags trigger accessory handoffs. If the scan fails, remove any magnetic or metal case and try again, restarting your iPhone if needed. Also ensure the tag is within about 5 centimeters of the top back antenna. Small distance and angle changes often fix missed reads. That single troubleshooting tip solves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.